Hello beautiful people, welcome to Ripshal Teach. In this video we are going to replace Y9 broken skin. You can see it's an old model. One of our customers sent this phone to replace his broken skin and we give him a free service. So let's have a look. As I told you, we are giving a free service to our customer as he don't have much money to replace this broken skin. You can see he couldn't change his back cover. So it's a gift from us and we will replace his broken skin free. Let's start. First of all, we are going to open back cover. You can use heat gun to open it. After opening back cover, now we are going to open all screw that related to our skin. You can see here is our broken skin. Now we are going to clean this scan board.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So you can see we already replaced our broken scan. Now we will check our new scan. If it's work properly, then we will continue our work.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on
After checking our new scan, you can see it's work properly. Now we are going to use B7000 glue. So beautiful audience, our skin replacement complete here. I hope that by watching this video, you can easily replace your own broken skin by yourself. Also, I hope that our poor customer will satisfied by our service. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. If you had any kind of problem with your phone or phone settings, just drop a comment in comment section. Also, you can mail us. Here is our mail. That's all for today. Cheerio.